behavior, as we know, is always a response to a need or a want. Everybody acts for a need or a want. Anybody set your coffee pot the night before to go off at a certain time? Yeah, because you have a desirable outcome. There's a function for that behavior. So when you're working with kids and you have to, it's okay for you to say, my God, what's the function of that? You ever looked at a kid who looked right at you and did something, and you're like, really? What was the function of that? Think about the kid who doesn't know how to get any attention. And so they do something outrageous because they get your attention. They might get a consequence or punishment for that, but as long as they got your attention, that's all that really mattered. And that was the function. So you go through life, basically, you do what works until you learn a different way. And that's the way Behavior 101 kind of works. I do what works until I learn a different way. Which is why we're seeing too many adults coming out of our system of incarceration who are repeating the same behaviors over and over. Because they go into a place where they do time, but they're not learning what the function of their behavior is and how they can get that function in a different way. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.